So, what is digital citizenship, and why is it important? In a nutshell, digital citizenship is all about how to be in an online space. According to Dr. Ken Ripple, digital citizenship refers to a set of norms for technology use that are continuously evolving alongside technology. This set of behavior goals promotes uses of technology that are empowering as well as responsible and appropriate. Digital citizenship is a broad category of behaviors. In fact, the International Society for Technology and Education, ISTE, lists 4 different instructional standards for teachers using technology. Ken Ripple has identified 9 different themes of digital citizenship, but we're only going to consider 3 character traits: practicing digital etiquette, being a good communicator and online collaborator, and acquiring digital fluency. Character trait 1. Practicing digital etiquette. According to Common Sense Media, respecting others is all about promoting courtesy, specifically in polite disagreement. Based on a consideration of others vis-a-vis technology, digital etiquette describes conduct standards and norms of behavior, including procedures in the digital world. Teachers should situate inclusion of digital etiquette within the academic goals of the syllabus or the clearly described routines of classroom management. Digital etiquette represents an extension of classroom etiquette, in which an awareness of others is the central consideration. With a consistent practice of good digital etiquette, we will be on our way to becoming good online collaborators and good digital communicators. Character trait 2. Being a good communicator and online collaborator. With an eye toward empathetic online behavior and the building of relationships and community, educators must develop experiences for students to make digital contributions that are positive and socially responsible. Digital communication and collaboration simply refers to electronic information exchange, and central to this exchange is the student's development of identity. Students in high school especially are discovering themselves, finding their voices, and learning to express themselves. Although technology provides many different vehicles for this expression, it is ultimately the student who defines for herself how she will share her thoughts and ideas for the understanding of others. Common Sense Media reminds parents and educators to discuss with their online children the importance of using suitable language in their digital communication. An example that might be effective for children is how addressing a teacher may be different from addressing a friend. Once we find our voice and decide how we are going to communicate digitally, we want to make sure that what we're communicating is going to be helpful to our community, which means that to be good digital citizens, we have to acquire digital fluency. Character trait 3. Acquiring digital fluency. In their citizenship standard for educators, ISTE promotes the fostering of digital literacy and media fluency. Teachers can do this by instituting a culture of learning that promotes not only curiosity, but critical review of online resources for validity. The understanding of technology itself and its use is termed digital fluency. Knowing about a particular technology and the ways in which it may be used can promote good online decision-making by students. Media literacy, a type of digital literacy, refers to one's ability to discern online sources of information as being valid and/or reliable. The University of Georgia Libraries has compiled a guide for identifying and finding reliable sources of information that includes digital content. This guide compartmentalizes sources into categories and offers insight into criteria for judging each type. At the time of this writing, a Google search for me for vetting online sources of information returned 2,580,000 results in 0.39 seconds. Bearing in mind that these results should themselves be vetted for reliability, one needs some basic framework to draw upon, and providing one for students is a worthy goal as they plunge into oceans of information and disinformation. Conclusion. The internet is a big place. It's easy to get lost, lose your voice, or be hurt by someone who hasn't given any thought about how to be online. That's where we come in. It's up to us to be part of communities online, to practice digital etiquette, to be good communicators and online collaborators, and to acquire digital fluency. Only then will we be able to influence others within our communities, to share what we know, and to help others become good digital citizens as well.